Hey everyone, in this video I just want to give you a quick update on what I've been doing in the past month. So the first one is the Muzzle Flash series. There are 4 parts now on YouTube. On my channel you can just go through all those videos, especially if you're a beginner. There's my whole workflow in those 4 parts. First we're diving into Substance, creating materials for our Muzzle Flash, and then back into Unreal Engine when we create very simple materials and some Niagara systems as well. As you can see, we've got a Muzzle Flash, fake projectile, and some very basic impact textures. If you want to take this to the next level, you probably want to focus on the impact. Would be nice to have some decal there, some debris maybe spawning from it, maybe subtle smoke and some sparks. But other than that, I hope you're gonna learn a bunch of stuff from it, as this is a series that's been designed especially for people just starting out or who would like to explore Substance workflow within VFX. Okay, and the second one is this character. We've done the first projectile, which is a snowball or frostbolt if you like. There's a bunch of details to it. We reused some elements that we've done in the first part of it, and this is for tier 1 members on 1mafx.com. And in the next month, we're gonna be exploring how to make this effect from scratch. So it's going to be a lot more technical than a simple projectile. As you can see, we're gonna have a cast and some spikes coming from the ground. We're gonna dive into parameters, and we're going to create some new parameters as well and try to drive the position while keeping the emitters number low in Niagara. And finally, we're going to explore some optimization techniques as well, how we can not go over the board when it comes to overdraw and especially the system or emitter amounts. Okay, so that's the update for this month, and I hope you're gonna enjoy those tutorials. Thank you so much.